For one bad news, it takes 10 good ones. Same ratio for customer relationship. Change the false note into a great customer experience thanks to Speylink. Let's take the example of Alice and Thomas. Alice, working remotely as an after-sales service agent in an electrical appliance brand, receives a call from Thomas, a customer whose washing machine played him the broken-down car trick. The situation being indescribable by phone, Alice needs to see what Thomas sees. While in communication, Alice sends him a Speylink link. He just received the invite by text message. He clicks on the link. Live magic! She ends up in the field without leaving her office. Thanks to the graphic pointer, she guides him during her checking process. Then, she takes pictures and fills up her customer file. Lastly, in a click, she sends him a detailed tutorial video. The agent has fulfilled her objectives 100%. The product may not be that defective if your customer has only forgotten to take off his washing machine wedges. The keyword is self-care. By avoiding the abusive returns but while handling quickly those which are justified, you preserve your revenue and your brand image. Speylink, a solution so obvious and complete that it becomes indispensable.